Once again, I visited Hobby Lobby and thought, I can do that. I watched lots of tutorials like this one and figured, let's give tinting glass a try. Hopefully this dupe ends up better than my 4th of July attempt. I found these 5 pieces at the thrift store. It ended up being pretty simple, but I did make a few mistakes. Begin with mixing together Mod Podge and food coloring. Then add some water. That was my first mistake. It's too thick without it. Don't forget the little bit of water. Use a sponge brush to apply the mixture to a clean glass surface. My next mistake was a pretty big one. After painting the glass, set it on a couple of popsicle sticks to dry, not on the foil. If you don't, the foil will get stuck to the bottom. Once dry, stick them in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Halfway through, and you can already notice a difference. Just a reminder, this is what I started with and what I am attempting to copy. This is how they ended up. I think they look great. I'm excited to add them to our fall decorations. Give them a try. And post your completed pre-loved projects with #PreLovedProjectsShop. If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.